Metra has collaborated with Vibe Audio to create state-of-the-art plug-and-play audio systems tailored to fit and perfectly enhance the Jeep Wrangler JL. We offer kits for amplified and non-amplified factory systems. For the 2018 to 2023 Jeep Wrangler, we have the JP-PPKT-3 for non-amplified systems and the JP-PPKT-4 for amplified systems. Everything needed to install a premium aftermarket audio system is conveniently included in one package. A pair of amplifiers to power the audio system that includes a premium DSP amplifier, a total of 8 assorted speakers for the front and rear of the vehicle, and a 12-inch subwoofer in a sealed enclosure that mounts easily on the tailgate, paired with an assortment of Metra products that make installation easy, such as a vehicle-specific plug-and-play T-harness, speaker adapters, accent grills, amp brackets, and more. And when you download the vehicle-specific tune to load onto the Vibe DSP amplifier, you will enhance your audio experience with crystal clear highs, robust mids, and deep bass. This comprehensive kit ensures every component works harmoniously to deliver unparalleled sound quality and ease of installation. So check out these audio kits and our other available audio kits at metraonline.com.